Welcome back to my channel. I am Nikesh. In this video, I will show you how to print C, English alphabet C. So let's see how to do that. First, I have to run a loop for 7. With the help of this, I can control my all the row, and I also have to control my column for range. I need this, and after that, I have to provide condition. For the condition, I use if, and if my condition is true, then I have to print star. Print star, and after printing the star I don't want to change the line. I simply want to end with a space. Okay, if my condition is true, then I want to do this step. And suppose if my condition is not true, means else, means if, if my if condition is false, then I just want to print space, and with the help of this, if you give and inside the print end value is equal to space, means it can't change the line. Okay, so if my if condition is false, then simply print the space, and after after this I have to come out from my column row and I have to change the line. To change the line, I use print. Okay, so this is my template. Now I will show you condition. So if my call is equal to 0, means if my column is 0, then print all, but and row not equal to 0 and row not equal to, this time I have to provide 6. Okay, and I have to put it inside the bracket, and let's see. Yes, I am able to remove all. Now I'll show you how to print a 3 star on this way and 3 star in this row. Let's see how to do that. So or means if this condition is true, and then I have to print row equal to 0 or row equal to 6, but I don't want to print in first column. Okay, for that I have to give and call is greater than 0, and I simply have to put it is inside a bracket. So you can see if I run this code, I'm able to print all this. It's look like C, but I want to make it more understandable way. So for this, and call is less than 4, means I want to remove this. Okay, so I have to make it inside the bracket, and okay, now it's looking like C. And if you want to, then you can also add row equal to 1 and row equal to 5. Sorry, I have to, and call greater than hmm, call greater than if I provide see. So let's see it's working or not. And to put inside the bracket. Now if I run this code, now it's look like more like a C. Okay, so thank you for watching this video.